Another technology that I've added is in my medical terminology class. And what I have them do is I have them do a student presentation. So that it's over a disease. So what we're working on here, I'm trying to get them to work on their oral communication skills, and I want them to work on their pronunciation and everything of medical terminology, the terms. Okay, so this is just an example of the presentation. So they're using Google Slides, so that's one technology. But also what I want them to add into this is the directions say to use Screencastify. So when I'm talking about my technology, my fourth new technology that I'm using, it's Screencastify. When actually right now using Screencast-O-Matic, this is new to me because I've done everything with Screencastify so far. So here's new technology as well. But the students will make their presentation over their disease state, and they have directions which were clicked on through Canvas, and they will underline and make a list when it's done of their vocabularies, because vocabulary is very important in medical technology, medical terminology, and they need to be able to pronounce them correctly. So that's part of the goal of this, is to get them to use the words in a sentence and pronounce them correctly. So, great if they're in class and I get to hear them. Not so great if they're distance and they have to upload. So for that reason, I have added the Screencastify option to this, and they will just go in and use it, and I can grade their pronunciation. And also their oral communication. Granted, it's not exactly the same. I do ask that they put the video box in there for this one and not cover up any of their PowerPoint. So whenever I change this to a Screencastify assignment, I did change the directions just a little bit. But so we are targeting this towards second-year MLT students. They have a teaching presentation, but this one that I'm actually doing right now is for my medical terminology students. And the standards on this are the standards for students 6B and 6D. So not really hard to do the Google Slides presentation and add the Screencastify add-on and have your webcam and record the video.